In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a registry. Whether you're updating an event date, refining your visibility settings, or tweaking your registry details, I'll walk you through the exact path so you can make changes confidently and save them correctly. Start by opening the Etsy homepage in your browser. Once you're on the site, look for the registry option in the main navigation. This takes you to the area dedicated to registries where you can view and manage what you've already set up. From there, choose Manage your registry. If you have more than one registry, double-check you're selecting the correct one by confirming the occasion and the title you originally gave it. It's easy to click the wrong item if you created multiple registries for different events, so pause here and confirm you're in the right place before moving on. Inside your registry management view, click Edit Settings. This opens the control panel for your registry's core details. Think of it as the hub for your basics: the title and occasion, the event date and any related notes, how your registry is shown to others, and the key preferences that shape your guests' experience. Take a moment to look through the sections so you know what you can adjust before you start changing anything. Now make the required changes. Keep your registry name clear and recognizable so guests know they're in the right place. Verify your event date and correct it if plans have shifted. Review any message or introduction you've added at the top of your registry. A concise, friendly note helps guide guests on what you need or what styles you prefer. Next, check your visibility settings. Choose the level that makes sense for you: public if you want it easily discoverable, or more limited if you prefer to share it directly. If your registry includes an address for shipping, confirm that it's current and formatted correctly, and avoid adding any unnecessary personal details. If there's an option to show or hide purchased items, set that based on whether you want to keep surprises or avoid duplicates. As you update each field, pause to proofread for typos and accuracy. When everything looks right, click Save. Give the page a moment to process your changes and look for a confirmation indicator so you know your updates have been applied. If anything doesn't look as expected, return to Edit Settings and adjust again, then save once more. That's all you need to edit a registry on Etsy: quick, clear, and under your control. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.